So we've now come back to our door and our fixing foam is set. To fix our door into place, we've used some frame fixings. We've got a Torx head on there. You can see our fixings there into our stonework. So all we've got set up with is a drill. To put our Torx fixings in, we've got ourselves set up here. You don't necessarily need 3 drills, but we've got 1 drill here with a steel bit in, because sometimes there's steel within a UPVC door frame. So we've got 1 drill bit there to drill through the framework. We've got another countersink bit here just to smooth that hole once we've drilled it out, just so that our screw head fits somewhere near flush. And then we've got our Torx bit there. And all we need to do to fit the frame fixings is we need to drill in with a 6mm or a 6.5mm SDS bit. I've got both here. I go in with the 6mm first, and if that's still too tight, I go in with the 6.5. Then you can just drive in these frame fixings. These are really good because they don't require a plug. You can literally put them on the end of your Torx bit and drive them straight in, as long as you've drilled the right size pilot hole with your SDS drill. So we've got fixings up our frame in the top, middle and bottom, just to hold everything secure, and we've done the same at the hinge side. Now that we're happy that the frame's secured in place, we've got all our fixings in, fixing at the top, fixing at the middle, fixing at the bottom, same on the other side. We're happy that the door shuts, latches and locks. We're now ready to start pointing in around the outside edge. If this is a smaller gap, I'd be using silicone, but in this scenario, we're forced to use some cement mortar.